46 is your vaccine team, and our Rebecca Schramm was front and center for what the governor had to say. And Rebecca, do they plan to speed things up?
Well, they will as soon as they can, Karen. There was a little bit of good news announced. Georgia's positivity rate is down. The 7-day average of COVID cases is down. But as we heard just a few minutes ago under the Gold Dome with the vaccines, the news is not as good. Those 713,000 vaccine doses have been distributed as of this morning. They haven't even reached the halfway point with everyone who's currently eligible to get the vaccine. The governor and state health director, Dr. Kathleen Toomey, said they realize a big priority is to get educators vaccinated, no matter their age group. Well, they said they simply don't have enough to open it up to more groups right now. One thing the state has done to get ahead of things, the governor has given the go-ahead for school nurses to administer the vaccine to staff members when the time comes. The governor was talking about the demand for the vaccine. He said as soon as counties and now private companies open up new appointments, they get snatched up quickly.
A good example is Publix opened up availability this morning based on what they're getting here in a few days, and those appointments for one whole week sold out in 45 minutes. I mean, it was more demand than you would see for a Georgia-Alabama SEC championship football game.
Now, one thing Dr. Toomey mentioned, the CDC has now loosened guidelines for when you should receive that second dose. You can now be fine getting one 6 weeks after the first dose. So they hope that will help calm the nerves of some of those of you trying to get that second dose scheduled. My colleague Ashley Thompson was also inside the news conference. She's going to have a full report. Look for her updates starting today at 4. Live at the state capitol, Rebecca Schramm, CBS 46 News.
Absolutely, Rebecca. Thanks. And CBS